Yo, what up, y'all? And today we are going to be making another awesome video about Hurricane Ian. And I'm about to run out in the middle of it. It looks like it's not raining, but truly it is. So I'm about to run out inside the middle of it. Go! I'm out! I'm out in the middle of Hurricane Ian right now, y'all. I'm out in the middle of Hurricane Ian. This is cray cray. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, this is cray cray, y'all. I'm in the middle of Hurricane Ian right now. Oh my god! Oh my god! Run! Hold up. Nothing in that bag, right? Okay. Oh my god! I don't want to get sick now. What? What are you trying to spin?
Yeah.
Why? I don't know. Anyway, y'all, I hope you guys subscribe and like on this video. Bye-bye.